Think about the last time you made an important decision about your manufacturing operation. Did you trust your gut? Did you stop with intuition? Or did you gather information to guide your actions? Data is the foundation for success in manufacturing. We have designed and developed an IoT web application. Our goal is to help you imagine what you could do if you had the machine data you need. At Schneider Electric Manufacturing Vietnam, SEMV, they are using Aviva Insight for data acquisition system, which is qualified 4 pillars mandatory for industrial IoT applications: data, things, people, and process. According to the 4 pillar, we simply outlining our current operations will go a long way toward informing the kinds of machine monitoring strategies and solutions are prioritized. Based on the scope of the project, we develop and deploy our web application at USB tester machine. At first, the product will be loaded in and controlled by KHOA mechanical design. Then transfer the product with linear pneumatic mechanism mover. After check by camera vision for wrong product type, wrong color, wrong orientation. Product will have functions test, spring, and shutter check. And then, from the customer needs, we have defined the input and output parameters. We went on planning and designed our application's first layout. First of all, we drew an overall layout and designed what our application should have. And we have decided that the sidebar should have 6 different pages: real-time monitor, home, OEE monitoring, production, quality, and machine error. After having the permission to dig in the PLC program of the machine, we simply track the input and output data as well as import data to our application database using Node-RED. Finally, this is the final product at Schneider Electric. After sign up or sign in the application from a specific web address, the real-time monitor page will show what's going on at the machine within a 2 seconds interval. This page is the priority for engineers to have a fast insight. On the other hand, the home page will be responsible for taking a closer and deeper look at historical tracking options. On the OEE monitoring page, we can modify the value to find out the most productive and efficient status. The consequence will lead to the production and quality page, which illustrates the comparison of good and non-good products, whether the other one shows which type of product's fault usually occurs. Moreover, these pages have the ability to export data into an Excel file. The last page, machine fault, takes the role of helping engineers and technicians easily notice what caused the machine breakdown and fix it ASAP.